So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find duplexes for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once you open up Realtor.ca, make sure the search tab is selected, which I have right now. Go to the top, select your location. So for this demonstration, I am in the Edmonton and surrounding area. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on filters. Make sure that residential as well as for sale are both highlighted. Once that is done, press on building to get the drop down, then building type. Once you're here, just scroll down to where you see duplex right here, press on that. Now what it's going to be doing is now refining your search for listings that are only considered duplex listings for sale. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find duplexes for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.